Guys, good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
How are you guys? How was the school? Come on. Yes. Janavi, Pooja, how are you?
Fine, sir.
How is going? You done any exam started? What exam started, son? You? Yes, now only we reopened, man. What exams is going on, guys?
Sir, yes, sir.
In DAV is a what exam? CA exam or unit test or class test?
Sir, UT1, sir.
UT1. Okay. What are the topics they are doing? Relevant to our school talk, our center topics or different?
Same topic only, sir.
Yeah. The first one we done already. We completed first one. Yes or no? Second one we are not done. Third one we are not done. We done third one? I don't think so. We done third one. I think we done first one we completed. The fourth one model also we completed. Yeah. So I'm going to discuss second. Yes.
We completed second one, sir.
Second one also we done. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. Guys, please respond. What are the things we done so far? We done second one. What about fourth one? First one also we done. Please.
Sir, 3, 4, and 3, 4, 5, and 7 is pending, I guess.
3, 4,
5 and 7.
3, 4, 5, and 7 is
Pending.
pending. Sorry, again I'm removing. What are the things pending? Please let me know. Three, 4, 5, and 7. Correct? Rest of all the things we done. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Let's see. How to do the third 5, 7 we will do first. It will be very simple. Only the thing is, as per the our topic name, equations are reducible. We have to reduce the given data into pair of linear equations. These equations are not actually in the form of linear equations. First, we have to convert into linear equations of common variables. After that, we can able to proceed. So, what is the given data in third question? The given data in the third question is 4 by x plus 3y is equal to 14. 3 by x plus minus 4y is equal to 23. So I am assuming a is equal to 1 by x, b is equal to y. So there is no change in y. So my equations are reduced to like this. The first equation is reduced to 4a plus 3b is equal to 14. The second equation is reduced to 3a minus 4b is equal to 23. So now it is ready to solve. So now it is reduced. These are the reduced form of the pair of linear equation from the given data. Will you agree with me, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Pair of linear equation from given. So, sir, how I can reduce? It is purely based on your arithmetic skills. There is no method or there is no particular formula to reduce. It is depends upon the given format. Correct? Am I right, guys?
Sir.
So I am multiplying the first equation with 3. You can use any method to solve here. They didn't mention particular method you have to solve. So if I am multiplying the whole equation with 3, 12a plus 9b is equals, what is the 14 into 3? 52. Again, second equation 12a minus 16b will be equal to how much? 92. So I am subtracting on both sides. So 12a minus 12a is 0a, 9 minus of minus plus. This is 25b, 52 plus 92. What is our 52 minus 92? How much? 40. Yeah? Am I right, guys? Is it 40?
Yes, sir.
So what is the answer? What is the b value? B is equal to 40 by 25. That is 8 by 5. If b is equal to 8 by 5, calculate the a value. So 4a plus 3 into 8 by 5 is equal to 14. This will be 4a plus 4a is equal to 14 minus 24 by 5. This is 70
Sir,
minus
is it
20.
minus 40 by 25 or sir 40 by 25?
Yeah, minus 40 by 25. This is minus 8 by 5. This will become plus 24. If it is plus 24, 70 plus 24 by 5. This will be 94 by 5 is equal to 4a. So what is the answer? A value is how much? 94 by 5 into 4. So 2 how many times? 2 2s. If it directly 4, it will go now. No, it won't go. 47 by 10 is the right answer. So a is equal to 47 by 10. That is nothing but 1 by x. So my x is equal to 10 by 47. Y is equal to minus 8 by 5. Looks little weird answers. Is it right answers? Check, guys, please. Substitute, or you can verify the last page of the textbook and let me know is the answers are right, or you got the same answers or any different answers.
Sir, I got x equal to 3 and
Sorry?
Y is equal to minus 2.
x equal to 1 by 5 and y is equal to 2.
Then we done B is wrong somewhere. Anywhere we wrong?
Sir, yes, sir. For the first equation, 4a plus 3b is equal to, sir, for the reduced form, it's coming like 12a plus 9b is equal to 42, sir.
12A plus 9B is
42.
yeah,
42, sir.
the where we done the mistake. Correct. It is 42. If this is 42, then it will be 50. Correct?
Yes, sir. Minus 2.
Minus 50. It is minus 50 means
Minus 2.
minus 2. Then if it is minus 2 means this whole thing you can take it out.
Sir. A with 5.
So if B is minus 2, four A plus 3 into minus 2 is equal to 14. So 4A is equal to 14 plus 6, correct? Am I right? So A is
Yes.
how much? A is equal to 20 by 4, that is 5. So A is equal to 1 by x, that is equal to 5. So x is equal to 1 by 5. The same answer? So y is equal to b
Yes, sir.
is equal to minus 2. So 1 by 5 comma minus 2 are the solutions of this equation. Some calculation error, guys, sorry, please. Anyone having any doubt in this question? If no, I will move to the next one. Shall I move to the next one? Guys, shall I move to the next question? Done, everyone? Please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Arman, Pooja.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Next one is, see here how to reduce. The simplest way is you have to split the each and every term and divide it with x and y. You will get one particular form. So the given data is 7x minus 2y divided by xy is equal to 5. If I am dividing 7x by xy minus 2y by xy is equal to 5, I will get 7 by y minus 2 by x is equal to 5. This is one form. Same as the second equation is 8x plus 7y divided by xy is equal to 5 is equal to 15. So from here 8x by xy plus 7y by xy is equal to 15. This will be 8 by y plus 7 by x is equal to 15. So these are the final forms which is ready to reducible. In the given data, the data itself is not ready to reducible. After doing some simplification only, it is ready to reducible. Now 1 by x is equal to a, 1 by y is equal to b. Then you can able to reduce it to, my equation 1 is reduced to as a linear equation, 7b minus 2a is equal to 5. The second equation is reduced to 8b minus 8b plus 7a is equal to 15. So these are the reduced form of pair of linear equations from given data. Is it clear, guys, what I'm saying? So solve these two equations and let me know how to solve these two equations. I'm multiplying this with 8, I'm multiplying this with 7, 56 b minus 16a is equal to 40. 56b plus 49a is equal to 105. Is it right, guys? Forty, 50, 65. Finally, I got a is equal to 1. From that 1 by x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 is one solution. B is equal to 1. That is 1 by y is equal to 1. So from here y is equal to 1. Please check the thing, guys, and let me know whether you also got the same answer. If not, we will see the
Same
difference.
answer, sir.
Same answer, sir.
40 minutes. Yeah. So shall I proceed to the next question? If you say yes, then only I can move.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hmm? So I think we already done. The seventh one I am giving the clue. After that I won't give anything. Rajna. 10 by x plus y. We already done this kind of model in last class. Am I right, guys?
Yes, sir.
15 divided by x plus y minus 5 by x minus y is equals minus 2. So a is equals, sorry, yeah, a is equal to 1 by x plus y, b is equal to 1 by x minus y. This is my assumption. Please proceed and solve the question and let me know. First I need to know the a comma b values. Anyone got the a comma b values? Please let me know. After that I will move to the next one. Please try yourself this question. I gave the clue.
It
What are the reducible equations? I can say the reducible equations are 10a plus 2b. Sorry, guys. 10a plus 2b is equal to 4. 15a minus 5b is equal to minus 2. Is the same equations you got?
Yes, sir.
I can multiply with 3, I can multiply with 2. So the equations are to eliminate 30a plus 6b is equal to 12. 30a minus 10b is equal to 4. So if I am subtracting,
Minus
16b is equal to 8. So b is equal to how much?
sir. Sir, minus 4, sir.
Yes, 12 minus 4 is 8 only now. Yeah, this is minus 4, so this will be plus, so 16. Sorry, guys. So this is 16 by 16, so answer is 1. So B is 1. If B is 1, if I'm substituting any one equation, 10A plus 2 into 1 is equal to 4. So what is our A answer? What is the value of A?
1 by 5.
1 by 5. So 10A is equal to 2. From here, A is equal to 2 by 10, that is 1 by 5. So this is not end of the question. Your A is how much? 1 by
1 by
x
X.
is equal to 1 by 5. 1 by x minus y is equal to 1. From here, I will get the pair of linear equations in the form of x and y. So x plus y is equal to 5, x minus y is equal to 1. Now it is again we have to solve using any one method to calculate the x and y values. So I am adding both. 2x plus 0 is equal to 6, x is equal to 3. So x plus y is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5 minus x, that is 5 minus 3. So y is equal to 2. So my x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. See, these are the two answers. Hope you are clear what I am trying to do here. Is it clear? Is everyone got the same answers or different? Anyone
Sir, I
having?
got the same, sir.
Yeah, we'll wait for others also. After that, we'll move to the one more question, which is left on the right side.
Got the answer, sir. Same answer.
Same.
Yeah. Sorry, guys. So what is the one more question we left on this side? It is the same kind of fifth one. Sorry, eighth one and fourth one of same model only. Correct? Harita, what is the assumptions you have to take consider to reduce it into linear form? What assumptions I have to take? Let
Sir, 5 by x minus 1 as A and 1 by y minus 2 as B.
only x minus 1, 1 by x minus 1 is equal to a, not 5 by. Because in the second equation, I don't have 5. So 1 by x minus 1 is equal to a, 1 by y minus 2 is equal to b. So I will get the equations 5a plus b is equal to 2, 6a minus 3b is equal to 1. Now solve these two equations and let me know what are the a comma b values. So all these two equations. Everyone, please. I need a comma b values.
Sir, both A and B, right, sir?
So what is the A value, madam?
1 by 3.
B value?
1 by
Super, correct. I'm multiplying this equation with 3. I'm multiplying this equation with 1. So this will be 15A plus 3B is equal to 6. This is 6A minus 3B is equal to 1. So if I'm adding both the equations, 21A is equal to 7. From here, A is equal to 7 by 21. That is 1 by 3. If I'm substituting this A value in the second equation, 6 into 1 by 3 minus 3b is equal to 1. This is 2 times it is gone. 2 minus 3b is equal to 1. So from here minus 3b is equal to minus 3 minus 1 minus 2. So b is equal to minus 1 by minus 3. This is 1 by 3. So a is equal to 1 by 3. That is equal to how much? 1 by x minus 1. From here, x minus 1 is equal to 3. So x is equal to 4. B is equal to 1 by y minus 2. That is equal to 1 by 3. So y minus 2 is equal to 3. Y is equal to 5. Hope everyone got the solution of the given system of equations. We can't call this is pair of linear equation. The system of system of equations, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. Or the solution of given question is x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. Hope you are clear. Are you got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Shall I move to the next one? Practical problems based on pair of linear equation. Guys, I can move to the next question. So before going to the next question, we have to understand certain basic concepts from the physics. What is the meaning of downstream? What is the meaning of upstream? And what is the definition of the speed or relation between speed, distance and time? Anyone? The downstream means there is a river or canal. The water is flowing with a velocity v. If the swimmer is also moving with a velocity u, he is swimming in the downstream. That means his net velocity is u plus v, because already water is carrying him with a velocity is u, v, and he is also swimming, and both the together he is moving with a velocity of both water and he is swimming. Upstream means if the water is flowing like this with a velocity v, but the swimmer is trying to move against to this velocity u, this is a swimmer velocity. That means the water is trying to push him in this direction, but he is trying to swim in opposite direction. The net velocity on the swimmer u minus v. If you want to move opposite to this, you always need to swim more than the water velocity. Then only you can able to move forward. Is it clear, guys? What is the meaning of downstream velocity and upstream velocity? Anyone having any doubts in downstream velocity and upstream velocity? Why it is addition in downstream? Why it is subtraction in upstream? Anyone having any doubts? Please, I will explain a little bit more elaborative way. Please, this is a little important for essay questions. They may ask 4 marks from single question from this kind of numericals. Harita, Durlav, Pooja, Sanyu.
Yes,
Can you
sir, I
explain this
don't
again?
understand, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sorry.
Sir, can you explain this
Sir, it
again?
is not clear.
Sir, can I explain upstream once more, sir?
See here, I will explain the upstream and downstream with a toy. It will be easy to understand. Suppose there is a water. This is a canal and water. Water is flowing in this direction with a 10 meter per second. If you drop a toy which doesn't have any motor, that means it's just a toy, it's a floating. Is this toy is at rest or it will move along the water flow?
It will.
I need answer from who is having little doubt, water flow direction. Guys, please.
So move along with water.
So it will move along the water because water is carrying this toy. So what is the velocity of the water? Even the toy is also having the same velocity, correct?
Yes, sir.
And now there is a canal. The water is not flowing. Water is not flowing. And the swimmer, there is a person, he is swimming in this direction with a velocity of 15 meter per second. So water is not flowing, only swimmer is moving with respect to water. Inside the water he is moving. So what will happen in this case? The person will move with a velocity of 15 meter per second, correct?
Yes.
Guys, are you clear what I'm saying?
Yes,
If the
Yes,
same swimmer, the same person is here and he is not swimming, what will happen in this case? The same person is here and he is not swimming. What will happen? This person will take along with the water in this direction with a speed of 10 meter per second. Am I right? Because of the water is flowing, he also will move along the water. Like how toy is moving, like that he also move along the water if he is not holding anything inside the water. Correct?
Yes.
Correct or not? So now I am taking the another example. The same swimmer is doing, the water is also flowing and he is also swimming. The water is also flowing in this direction with a 10 meter per second and he is also swimming in this direction up downstream. Downstream means along the water. Upstream means against to the water with a speed of 15 meter per second. What is this meaning? The water is making him to move 10 meters in 1 second and also he is also forwarding 15 meter by himself. So total he will move 25 meter per second. Correct? Because even he is not swimming also, he can move with 10 meter per second. Even water is not flowing also, he can move 15 meter per second. Here what is happening? Both water is flowing as well as he is swimming. That's the reason the water is making a velocity of 10 meter in 1 second and also he is forwarding 15 meter in 1 second. Together it can flow, he can move 25 meter per second. Understand? Velocity of the water plus velocity of the swimmer if he is swimming in downstream. Is it clear, guys? What is the meaning of downstream? What is the total velocity of the swimmer in downstream if the water is flowing? Guys,
Yes,
please.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why it will be addition here? Now, suppose the person is not swimming. What is happening if the water is flowing? So water is also rest. The person is also at rest. So the person is still here only. After 10 seconds, after 20 seconds also, he is here only. He is not at all moving. Suppose if the water is pushing him in this direction with a velocity, if water is flowing, if the water is flowing, the person will move along the water with a 10 meter per second. That means in 1 second, the person will move from A to B, where the distance between A and B is 10 meter. Suppose if the person is trying to walk opposite direction, what will happen? So based on his velocity, the water is trying to pull him. That means he is not actually on the ground of the water. He is inside the water and he is like what he is surrounded by completely water. So the person is trying to swim in this direction 15 meters per second and water is pushing him 10 meter per second. See the directions here. So in 1 second, this person will move in this direction 10 meter, and in the same second, the person will move in this direction 5 meter, 15 meter. So the resultant, how much distance he will move forward? Total 5 meter per second, he will move in this direction. Am I right, guys? Understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So his net velocity of the swimmer is V net will be equal to velocity of the swimmer minus velocity of the water. Because water is trying to pushing him in forward direction, but he wants to move. That's the reason he is moving in opposite direction. So water is making him to move 10 meter, and in the same time the person is moving 15 meter. That means what? The water is trying to move him in this direction. He is trying to go in the forward direction. So for every 10 meters, he is moving 15 meters opposite to it. So water is pushing him 10 meters, but he is moving opposite to the water 15 meter. After 1 second, he is 5 meter in advance opposite to the water flow. That means he is moving 5 meter per second opposite to the water flow. This kind of swimming is called upstream flow, upstream swimming. So that's the reason it is very tough to swim in upstream, because water is making you to pull back. It is very easy to swim in downstream. Even without swimming also, you can move from one place to another place in downstream. Usually if you people are going in swimming in a flow of river, not in oceans or not in swimming pools. If you are trying to swim in a canals where the water is flowing, you can identify this upstream and downstream concept. Is it clear, guys, what I'm trying to say? What is the meaning of upstream and downstream?
Yes, sir.
Now, we know speed is equal to distance by time. That is one formula you have to keep in mind. So based on these two discussions, we are having some numericals. Not only based on this, but people usually confuse with this data, upstream and downstream. So rowing, swimming, all are a little bit same. Rowing means he is moving in a boat. Yeah. How to do the first question? I need the equations. How you can frame the equations for the first question? These are the practical problems based on the pair of linear equations. Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. What is it meaning, guys? Suppose this is a river and she is having a boat, and this is the direct velocity of the water. If she is rowing in the downstream, she can travel 20 km in 2 hours. So that means this is the distance, this is the time. So what is the relation between distance, time and net velocity? Speed will be
The speed equal to distance by time.
Distance by time. So consider the velocity of the water is VW. Velocity of water is equal to x kilometer per hour. Velocity of the boat or velocity of the rowing is y kilometer per hour. So my x plus y is equal to 20 by 2. My y minus x will be equal to 4 by 2. Why I wrote y minus x? Anybody can able to identify? Even if you take x minus y also, but you will get the answer is in negative. The negative says your x is not smaller than y. Your x is greater than, x is smaller than y. Then only she can row. If the water is pushing you with more velocity, you can't upstream. You can't cover at least one distance. Suppose water is, if water is flowing with 10 km per hour, that means it can make to move 10 kilometers in 1 hour. But if you are moving with 8 km per hour, what will happen? You can't move. Definitely, you will move 2 km in opposite direction. That means you can't swim even 1 km also or 1 centimeter also. That's the reason I took as y minus x is equal to 4 by 2, because y is the velocity of the boat, x is the velocity of the water. So from here, can you solve these equations and let me know? So y plus x is equal to 10, y minus x is equal to 2. So if I'm solving these two equations, I will get the what is the velocity of the rowing in still water. That is a actual velocity of the rowing. So in still water means if the water is at rest, what is the velocity of the Ritu's rowing? So 2y is equal to 12. So y is equal to 6. And if I am substituting y is equal to 6, so x plus 6 is equal to 10. So x is equal to 4 kilometer per hour. And y is equal to 6 kilometer per hour. So the velocity of the rowing in still water. So this still water is 6 kilometer per hour. The speed of the current is 4 kilometer per hour. If you understood, if both are in same direction, she can travel 10 kilometer per hour automatically. In 2 hours she can travel 20 kilometer. But she is rowing upstream. Upstream means water is flowing in this direction 4 kilometer per hour. That means if she is not rowing, she can move in this direction 4 kilometer in 1 hour. If she is rowing in still water, she can go 6 kilometer per hour, 6 kilometer in 1 hour. But if both are doing simultaneously, she can travel against to the water flow only 2 kilometer. So that's the reason in 2 hours, she can travel only 4 kilometer. Like that also you can generally discuss, but mathematically this is how we can solve. What is the rowing in still water? What is the velocity of the current? The speed of the current means velocity of the water. So y is the speed of the Ritu or speed of rowing in still water.
Sir, why did we take 20 by 2, sir? Actually, I had got disconnected, sir.
So 20 by 2 is your distance by time. What is your x plus y? X plus x is what? Velocity of the water plus velocity of the rowing. This is the total velocity of the net velocity when it is moving. Both the things are moving. So definition of the velocity is what? How much distance covered and how much time is taken. Correct what I'm saying?
Yes, sir, I got it.
So is it clear? What is how to calculate the velocity of the rowing and velocity of the current in still water? Only the thing is understanding the question is important. Once you understood, the solving is already you done using the equation. The same application we are using here. Anyone having any doubt in this question? Guys, anyone having any doubt?
No, no, sir.
Shall I move to the next question? Please, guys, please open up and let me know if anyone having any doubts. I will explain again. Shall I move to the next question? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is a little bit work and time related. It's not downstream, upstream. Work and which you already done in grade 8, ratios and proportions related little, but it's not completely related to ratios and proportions. 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish the same work in 3 days. Find the time taken by 1 woman alone to finish the work, and also the time taken 1 man alone. How to do this question? Anyone can able to recollect how to do this question? We already done this kind of questions using the ratios and proportions. Guys, anyone having an idea how to do this question? What is subject here? Work is the subject. How to do this question? Anyone can able to recollect? Guys, please. How to approach this question to solve?
We need to take work done by women as X and work done by men as Y.
Sorry, ma'am, I didn't get you.
So we need to take work done by women as X and work done by men as
No,
Y.
sir. Sir, the work done by men as X and by, no sir, the time taken by one woman as X and men as Y, sir. So it will be 2x. If I take time taken by women, then it will be 2x plus 5y equal to sir,
No. How you can write 2x plus 3, 5y is equal to how much?
4 into 24, sir.
Sorry?
4 into 24.
So what you're taking? What is the total? I don't know. But it took 4 days. If 2 women and 5 men together, it took 4 days. And 3 women and 6 men will take 3 days. Then tell me how we will solve this question.
Sir, first we have taken time, sir. So work done. So time taken by one woman is X and men is Y. So 2x plus 5y equal since we are taking it in hours, we have to convert the days into hours, sir. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So
2x plus 5y is equal to 4 into 24.
it's 9.
You are saying the same thing, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Your x is how much?
Time take hours taken by women, sir.
What? Okay, what is this hours?
To do that work, sir, embroidery.
No, it's not. See, you are saying what x is. Can you explain clearly what is the meaning of x? I didn't get. Sorry, please.
No, sir. They are saying that women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days. So the time taken by 2 women to complete it and time taken by 5 men to complete it. So I'm taking the time as for one person, sir. Instead of 2 women, I'm taking it as 1 woman. So the time taken by 1 woman to complete it in 4 days is X and time taken by 5 men to complete is Y.
Okay.
So 2x, so a number of women equal to 2 and time taken by each woman is x. So 2x plus 5y is equal to 24 into 4, sir.
2x plus 5y is equal to 4 into 24.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Then the same way 3x plus 6y equal to 3 into 24.
3x plus 6y is equal to 3 into 24. You have to solve these two equations. Are you saying
Yes.
the same?
Yes, sir. We solve it, we will get the x and y values. That is the one
What is
work
the meaning?
done by one
Can
man.
you say what is the meaning? Can you say what is the meaning of x here?
Sir, time taken by one woman, sir.
Of what? Time taken by one woman of what? To complete the total work or to complete the 1 day work or what?
To complete 1 day work.
To complete 1 day work. No, it doesn't sense because you are multiplying 2 into x means it is giving only 1 day work only. No, see, these are the 2 women completing 1 day work, 5 men are completing 1 day work, but it is taking 4 days.
Yes, 4 days.
So how it is days is coming? Please, little bit.
Yes, I will study it.
Please think over this. How to assume my variables are here. Remember again, I'm saying remember the concept what you done your previous classes. Ratios and proportions concept, can you remember anyone? Anyone can able to recollect the ratios and proportions concept? What you will do? In this case, only one common thing we will do always. I'm just waiting for your reply. Anybody can able to recollect? Yeah, see here, this problem we have to approach in a different way. Whatever the she is saying, almost right. From that only I can able to take, instead of taking one man can do one day work. Suppose if one woman who is doing the whole work, sorry guys, one woman is doing the work, she can take X days to complete. Am I right guys what I'm saying? She can
Yes,
take
sir.
X days. That means in one day how much work she is doing? In one day how much work she is doing? In one day how much work she is doing? If the work is done by only one man, if the, let's assume these are the two assumptions. If the work is done by
So
only,
1 by x.
correct, that is the thing I am expecting from you. Only one man, and he is taking Y days to complete. So in one day, the woman can do 1 by X of the total work, correct?
Yes, sir.
So work done by man in one day is taking 1 by Y of the total work, correct? 1 by Y, correct? Am I
Yes,
right?
sir.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
if according to this question, what is the question says? 2 women and 5 men are doing 4 days. That means in one day, 2 women can do 2 into 1 by X, 5 men can do 5 into 1 by Y, and they are doing 4 days, then they can able to finish the total work. My one is total work here. Got it what I'm saying?
Sir,
Yes,
is
sir.
the first equation like 2x plus 5y is equal to 1 by 4?
4x plus 5y is equal to,
Sir,
No.
2x plus 5y is equal to 1 by 4.
no, I will get 2 by x plus 5 by y is equal to 1 by 4. This is my first equation, not 2x. In the second condition, what he is saying, in the second condition, they are taking each and every day 3 women and 6 men. So each woman will do 1 by x in one day, each man will do 1 by work in one day, and all are doing 6 days. Then they can able to finish the total work. Understand what I'm saying, guys? How to take this one? So this will be 3 by x plus 6 by y is equal to 1 by 6. So this is my second equation. If you are able to solve, you will get the x comma y values. What is the meaning of x? X is the number of days, total number of days to complete the work by one person. Suppose there is an assignment, there are 20 pages. One day, if you are writing the whole work only by one student, she can take 20 days. That means in one day, how many pages she is completing?
1 page.
That means what? Total, if I am taking total work is 1 by 20 only now.
Yes, sir.
Same way, if she is taking X days to complete, if the 1 is my work, she can able to do in one day 1 by X of the total work, correct? 1
Yes,
by
sir.
total number of days, 1 by time is the amount of the work done she can do in one day. That is nothing but total work done by X. If I am taking work done is 1, the fraction of work done I am taking here. So that is the logic here. So consider the work done is 1 and take the fractions, then you will get the answer is very easily. Straight away you will get the Number of days can do for one person, both women and men. Solve these two equations and let me know what is the answer. Rest of the questions we can continue tomorrow. These are the two basic kind of questions we'll get, and one more question is related to speed and velocity, train, bus and all, or upstream and downstream, or time and work problems. Time, work or speed problems only they will ask for us. Please solve these two questions and let me know what is the final answer.
Sir, can you please do? Sir.
2a plus 5b is equal to 1 by 4. 3a plus 6b is equal to 1 by 6, where x is equal to, a is equal to 1 by x. Again, my assumption, b is equal to 1 by y. Correct? So this will be 8a plus 20 equal to 1. So this will be 18a plus 36b is equal to 1. Or I can divide both the things. Even the same thing will come. If I am dividing everything with 3, again it will come 1 by 18 only. So how to solve these two equations? Which number you have to use to multiply? Which method you can use here? 8, 18 LCM. This you can multiply with 9. This you can multiply with 4. So if I am multiplying first equation with 9, I will get 72a plus 180b is equal to 9. 18 into 4 is 72. Am I right, guys?
Yes, sir.
36 into 4, 120, 24, 144b is equal to 4. So if I am subtracting minus, 180 minus 144, how much? 180 minus 144.
36, sir.
36.
36b will be equal to 9 minus 4 is 5. So my b is equal to 5 by 36. So what is the b represents?
1 by y, sir.
No. Somewhere we are getting wrong, guys. Please check it. Check the question. We done the mistake. What is the mistake we done? 6 men can finish. 3 women and 6 men can finish the work in 3 days. But we took here it is 6. 3. We won't get any fraction. That's the reason I'm here. This is 1 by 3. It's not 1 by 6. We have to multiply with number of days into total work. This is the work done in single day. So 3 days they can do. It's not 6 days. So this how much you will get? This is 9a plus 18b. So I'm rewriting the whole equations, guys. Sorry. So what is my first equation? 8 by x plus 5 by y is equal to 1. This will be 8a plus 5b is equal to 1. This will be 9 by x plus 18 by y is equal to 1. So this will be 9a plus 18b is equal to 1. So you have to solve this one. This will be with 9. This will be with 8. Now you will get the proper answer. You won't get fractions. That's the reason I found that I've done somewhere wrong. How much will you get here? So this will be 72a plus 45b is equal to 9. 72a, 18 into 18, 144b is equal to 8. Is this 20? 4 into 5 is 20. Sorry, guys. This is 20. this is 20 and this will be 180. So if I'm subtracting, I will get this is minus, this is minus, this is minus. 180 minus 144 is 36b is equal to 1. So my b value is equal to 1 by 36. If I got b is equal to 1 by 36, if I'm substituting in the second equation, how much I will get a value? 9a plus 18 into 1 by 36 is equal to 1. 18 two times. So 9a is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2. So a is equal to 1 by 18. What is the a meaning? What is a?
1 by x.
This is 1 by x, this is 1 by y. So my x is equal to 36, y is equal to x is equal to 36, y is equal to 18. So if one woman is doing the whole work, she took 36 days to complete. If one man is doing the whole work, he took only 18 days to complete. Hope you understood how to do.
Sir, can you explain once more, sir, how we got 1 by x and 1 by y, sir?
Yeah. Yeah. See here, what I'm doing is, I'm just reposting the whole question. See, the thing is, the given data, 2 women, 5 men. If they are doing the work, each woman will do some kind of work, 5 men will do, each man will do some work. And the total work they can finish within 4 days. That means each and every day 2 women, 5 men need to come for the work. Then it took 4 days to complete. If 3 women and 6 men can done the work, they can take only 3 days. They are asking if only one woman, how many days? If only one man, how many days? Is it clear what is the question they gave and they are asking us to calculate?
Yes, sir.
Now I am taking total work is W, that is equal to 1. Total work is 1, for example. Okay. For convenience, the total work is 1. 1 is the total work. What I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Like you have 100 pages to write. If you are writing, you can write only 1 page 1 day. In 1 day, you can write only 1 page. How many days it will take for you?
Sir, 100, sir.
100 days. If 3 students are writing together, sorry, 4 students are writing together,
Sir,
it will take
100 by 4.
correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Got it? Same way, I'm considering this is only 1. I'm taking the fraction. So, if total work is doing by only one woman, and she is taking X days, then what is the work done in 1 day? That is nothing but W by X only now.
Yes, sir.
Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
And same as the total work is doing by only one man, W by, sorry, is taking Y days. This is my assumption. So work done in 1 day, total work divided by how many days he is taking. So this is work W by Y in per day, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, you know, now if one person, one man, one woman is coming, how much work they can do in one day? Suppose you are in grade 10 and there is another student grade 12, you can do one paper in a day. Grade 12 student can do 3 papers in a day, and both are coming in one day. How many papers you can able to finish it off?
Right, sir.
That means how we can write mathematically?
Sir, can you repeat what you said now, sir?
See, there are two students.
Yes, sir.
Student of class 12 and 10th standard, 10th class student. He can write 2 papers per day. 4 papers per day. You can write 1 paper per day. If one day both are came, how many papers can able to finish?
Sir, 5, sir.
5 papers. That means what?
So work done by both the individuals is 5.
Work done by 2nd standard student in one day plus work done by 10th standard student in one day is equal to so the total work in one day is how much? How we can say one day work done by 12th standard plus work done by 10th standard will be work done in one day, correct?
Yes, sir.
Same as one man can do total work by Y in one day. One woman can do work done by X in one day. So in one day, 2 women, how much work they can do? Because what is the given question? 2 women and 5 men. 2 women, 5 men can do will take 4 days. And 3 women, 6 men can take 3 days. So from here, what I can understand, if I am taking the first condition, 2 men are coming and 5 men are coming in 4 days. In one day, 2 men, 5 men can do how much work? So in one day, 2 into W by X plus 5 into W by how much? Y. This is the total work in one day. So how many days they are doing like this? They are doing 4 days to complete the total work. Now this equation is clear.
Yes, sir. I understood, sir.
So if I am calculating this one, I will get 8W by X plus 20W by Y is equal to W. W cancel. So 8 by X plus 20 by Y is equal to 1. This total thing is not required in examination. Just you assume the total work is 1. Fraction of work done in one day. Fraction of work done in one day by man. Same as they are doing 3 days with 3 women and 6 men. 3 women can do 3W by X. 6 men can do 6W by Y. That will be taking total work. So here W cancel. This will be 9 by x plus 18 by y is equal to 1. So by solving these two equations, you will get the x comma y value, where x is our requirement. Always you have to take the variables are your requirement. You can't take the requirement, your variables is 1 and given data. In given data, he is asking what is the one man alone, how many days, one woman alone, how many days. That should be your variable. You can consider the variable is like one man can do X hours in a day, like that. It will make us a lot of confused to calculate the final answer. Understand the logic how to proceed for these questions, guys?
Yes, sir.
Anyone having any doubts? Please, Adita, anyone? Durlav, Pooja. Hope I have cleared.
Sir.
Elaboratively, we discussed this question. Any kind of question related to this, you can able to solve now onwards. Other than this, any kind of thing. Yeah, I'm winding up the session. We'll meet in the next class. Okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.